Hi friend, today I show to you the V8 engine model and this is the performance of this engine, and we have shown to you the how to start and stop the V8 engine model. And till date, if you are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon of this channel for the notification when we have uploaded any new videos on this channel. Please see the live video of the same. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, colleagues and technicians for taking the knowledge of the same.